set up as normal, how it was, except I've put with Firefinder alarm panel, so this time I've also put the 003 panel there, and I've wired it up there, so that when one activates, the other one activates, or vice versa. That one activates, that one activates. So in this one, for the zone, I've still got the core point there, and another one in there. So that's that panel, and this one, this is the same thing that I used for my last video, my scouts, but I took that off because I gave the core point to a friend. Anyway, that's the 008 panel. I've got my Simplex T-bar, my wheel lock NS, and my fire bell, and I've disabled the bell because it's just way too loud. Okay, I'm going to activate this one, the Simplex, on zone 2, so that will activate that one, that panel, which will activate the NS. By the way, I put some tape over there because it's way too loud. And then it will activate this one, which will activate the voice evacuation. So, here we go. Whoa. Okay, now how we start resetting this is, first we go reset T-bar, then isolate all zones in this panel, and then reset this panel, okay, and then we reset this panel. And then unisolate the warning system. Okay, so that one was that panel activating that panel. Now I'm going to do this panel activating that panel. And so I want you to get a test key, which lives here, and activate it over here. So in this one, since that panel, the one which I'm activating, is hooked up to the, where is it? The voice evacuation, that one will go off first, and then it will activate that panel, which then the wheel lock NS will go off. So it will be the voice first, and then the NS. Unlike the other way around, what we did for the Simplex T-bar. So push in and push up for the test key. And it goes down, and then it should start to activate. I put tape over it. Okay, first I need to acknowledge the alarms on here. I tried to change the battery because the camera ran out of battery. Anyway, as I said, this had two alarms. One for the core point, and the other one from the 008 panel, because it sent an alarm to there, and then that went into alarm, so therefore it sent an alarm to here. So that's why it's got two. 008 panel, external control panel, external panel. So we will reset that one, go to reset, then press acknowledge to reset. Then reset this one, reset, acknowledge. then it goes back to normal. So that panel's done. And then I'm done. I didn't even reset this cool point, so of course it's going to go into alarm again. Oh, I'm stupid, aren't I? Ow. Anyway. This one's gone back into alarm. Same room, kitchenette. Okay, reset. Okay. Now I'll reset this one. Oh, focus. Anyway. Reset zone 5, isolate 5. Yay! So that's the alarm system. Oh yeah, right, I forgot to unisolate the warning system. I'm gonna put it onto PA mode. Whoa, it's loud. Anyway. So that's all the insides. Those are the zones, that's the brigade board, and that's the flash memory. That's the evacuation, those are the batteries, and that's the microphone module. So I'm going to say, thank you for watching my video. Please rate high. If you have just watched this and enjoy it, please just rate. It won't take a second to press the high rate button. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See ya.